For some reason, Volkswagen believes it doesn't have enough SUV offerings in China, so say hello to the new Talagon. A product of the FAW Volkswagen joint venture, the new model was first previewed by the SMV concept that was revealed 2 years ago. Just like that show car, the finished product commands a large footprint, measuring in at 5,152 mm long, 2,002 mm wide, 1,795 mm tall, and with a wheelbase that spans 2,980 mm. For some context, that is 112 mm longer, 12 mm wider, and 15 mm taller than the Atlas, which is sold in China as the Terramon, although the wheelbase remains identical. Developed by the local VW-FAW joint venture in China, the Talagon is the largest MQB-based SUV from the Volkswagen Group, a platform that is used in its MQB A0 configuration for cars as small as the Audi A1, Seat Ibiza, VW Polo Trio. The three-row SUV is underpinned by the MQB Evo architecture and comes with a choice of 6 or 7 seats. Inside, you'll find a dashboard layout that is reminiscent of the one in the Golf, with a digital instrument cluster placed next to a touchscreen infotainment system that gets its own frame. Below both screens is a full-width trim piece that integrates the air vents, while the center console has a raised platform to bring the gear selector and other controls closer to the driver. This also allows for an expansive cubby to be placed near the base of the platform, just ahead of an armrest that provides even more storage. The rear of the center console houses air vents for the second-row passengers that get their own climate controls, with air vents on the B and C pillars. Under the hood, to move the gargantuan SUV, the range-topping variant will get an EA3 92.5-litre turbocharged V6 engine that makes 299 PS and 500 Nm, with drive channel through a 7-speed DSG and 4-motion all-wheel drive system. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.